their motivations. But not you. Peaceful, isn't it? Not another living soul for miles and miles. If only...
Hi guys, what's happening?
Nothing is happening!
Shh! They spent all morning on horseback, then an afternoon picnic, and not even close to the peck on the cheek.
Oh no, there's only one day left.
Anyways, so, how's the weather?
We gotta do something fast.
But what?
This could be our last chance.
We gotta create the right kind of mood.
You mean like candlelight and champagne?
Nonsense! It don't take all that. Everything we need, we got right here. Percussion, strings, winds, words. There you see her, sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why. Time to try, you wanna kiss the girl. Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. Possible she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. And don't take a word, not a single word, but one and kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, look like the one to shine. You wanna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, pretend standing in the shade, too bad. You're gonna kiss the girl.
I really ought to know your name. Maybe I could guess?
Kiss the girl.
Annabelle. Beatrice.
Kiss her.
Elisa.
Ariel. Her name is Ariel.
Ariel? That's kind of pretty. Okay, Ariel.
Kiss the girl.
Oh no, you don't! Quickly, let the kiss.
Are you alright? Anyway, Rubsy's preparing me a party. I need to find that someone with the voice.